Out here on Sundance with Captain Dave. Headed out for a day on the Gulf, a little sail.
Times are tough, they are so frightening. My back's against the wall. My friends have given up by the numbers, one by one. I watch them fall. Don't come to me, for I have no answers, just questions with a shattered dream. But if you call, then I'll come running, chased by what you seen. But we keep on trying. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. Yeah, that's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. There's nothing wrong, they say it's good for business. You lie and cheat, stay at ease. When you're halfway to falling over, just to push, you're on your knees. King and queen come in there, fine regalia, bow and stoop, and tell you what you need. And in the small print, a man disclaimer, what you want, not so guaranteed.
Hey, what do I do now?
All your precious plans laid to waste, and all the heartaches you had to face. We keep on trying. Keep on trying. We'll try, we try, we try, we try. Keep on trying. Yeah, that's all. 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 I say I'm fine, but I am walking sadness. Just a breeze these days just blows me away, like a ghost with no color in someone else's shadow, lost in the faith and trust. Yesterday.
Well, that'll do it here from the boat trip. It was a great time. Seth, a lot of fun. Dave, great captain. This is his music we're listening to right here.
Keep on trying. Hey, that's all. That's all. That's all. That's all.